Fewer homes for sale and fewer homes sold. Real estate in the East Bay continues to cool, mostly. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Sellers stayed home during November, which meant buyers had about 500 fewer choices compared with last November. Higher interest rates cooled demand a bit as prices dropped for the 5th month in a row, yet prices were still slightly more compared with last November. Let's take a look at our local markets, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, down almost everywhere compared with last November. San Lorenzo and Union City both down more than 70%. Prices all over the map, including unchanged. Berkeley, Castro Valley, Oakland, San Leandro, all virtually the same as November 2022. Sales mixed. Hayward and Oakland both down. Fremont up slightly. San Lorenzo way up. West Contra Costa County is up next. Homes for sale, mostly down. Hercules and Pinole both down more than 50%. Prices mixed. El Sobrante dropped 17% while Hercules was up 17%. Sales mixed. El Cerrito up more than 20%, Hercules down almost 30%. Let's check Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Concord, 60 homes for sale. Pleasant Hill, just 18. Prices mixed. Clayton, 934, down 8%. Walnut Creek, 1.42, unchanged from last November. Sales mostly down. Martinez and Pleasant Hill both dropped 40% or more. La Miranda is next. Homes for sale, unchanged or down. Orinda, 17 homes for sale, down 45%. Prices mixed. Orinda, 2 million, up more than 22%. Sales down. Lafayette, 13 sold, down 46%. Next up is the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Dublin, 13 for sale, down almost 60%. Prices mostly up. Limited supply and high demand push prices in Dublin up 44% to more than 1.7 million. San Ramon up 19% to 1.894. Sales mostly down. Dublin and Livermore both down more than 20%. San Ramon, 22 sold, down more than 40%. Finally, we're in the Delta. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Antioch and Discovery Bay both down 45%. Prices mostly up. Brentwood is at $800,000 and Pittsburgh up 14% to $709. Sales mostly down. Discovery Bay and Oakley both down 40% or more. Last thought. What hasn't cooled? How long a home is on the market? Last November, it was an average of 30 days. This November, 22 days. There may be fewer homes sold, but they're selling quickly. We'll see you next year.